What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about the Rode Capture app that was just released not too long ago. And I just want to kind of take you through some of the settings and the cool thing this app can do, mainly for content creators, or if you're gonna be like me, showcasing beats and stuff like on TikTok or Instagram and things like that. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so let me go ahead and launch the app here. And as you can see, it's loading up, and here is the app. So this is my machine controller here. So basically, let me go ahead and take you through the whole menu here. So on the upper left-hand corner, we have our mic input. Right now, it says I'm using the iPhone microphone input. You can click this button here that says Discover Compatible Rode Mics. That's going to take you to the website in which you can check to see, what mics that are compatible. So here I can, again, set my level, and you want to have it mainly at a decent level, just to combat that noise floor if you may introduce it in your recording. Just to kind of depends on how close or far that you are from the mic. Has a nice meter that you can also see as well. So I like to keep mine, because I'm using the iPhone microphone, if I do decide to use it, I can keep it kind of low and I'm still in the green. It's not clipping, just in case I do talk and I get excited and it doesn't clip the audio. The next thing I have here is my aspect ratio, which I can switch here. Let's go again, 1:1. 3:4, 9:16. I can set my resolution, so I can do HD. I could do the full HD, so FHD, or I can do 4K. Now, next to that is going to be your sample rate. So 24 frames, 30 frames per second, as well as 60 frames per second. And then right next to that, I have my toolbox here. So if I click that button, I can see I have flash on, countdown before I record, video combined, and then I have video separate. So this is pretty cool because, say for example, if you're doing picture-in-picture mode, which I'm gonna show you in just a second here, you can have the files separate record or combined into one video. So very powerful feature there. Right next to that, you're gonna have your app info, and it just kind of shows you about the app, what version you're using, and then you have a user guide just in case you do get lost in the sauce. Now, the cool thing about this app, it's not like every other app. You have a zoom in, which is pretty cool. But we're gonna get to the picture-in-picture just a moment. But right now, I'm showing you the zoom in, or actually this is the zoom out, because I'm 0.5. Then I have the 1x for the zoom in, 2x, so I can get real close and up, like a real close detail using the zoom functions here. The next thing we have here is the dual camera, which is pretty exciting. So I can do split mode, which is like how Instagram does theirs. They have a split mode, and then you can use this button right here to switch the view. So I can put myself on the top, or I can put myself on the bottom. And then if I'm using the dual camera, I go back to picture-in-picture and do the exact same thing. So if I want to have my face right here, or if I want to switch it to have it on the big screen, I can absolutely do that as well. So very powerful features here inside the Rode Capture app. You can always download it from the App Store. Again, I'm on the iPhone, but you can always also use it for Android, I believe. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. If you did find some value from this video, please hit that like button, and then we will see you on the next video. So thank you for checking it out. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We out.